A very pleasant morning to all. This is Fancy Jose from Mount Carmel School. Today I am here with class 7th mathematics. We are continuing the lesson integers. Today we will see how to add and subtract integers. So we will see how to add the integers. First we will see the rules for addition of integers. Addition of two positive integers. The sum of two positive integers is a positive integer obtained by taking the numerical values of the addends. That is, for adding two positive integers, you have to just add the numerical values and the sign will be positive. And next is addition of two negative integers. The sum of two negative integers is a negative integer obtained by taking the sum of numerical values of the addends. Here also you have to just add the numerical values and the sign will be negative. Here minus 4 plus minus 5, that is we are taking negative outside, then we are adding 4 plus 5. That is 4 plus 5 is 9 and we put the sign negative. Okay, and next case, if one is positive and one is negative. For adding a positive and a negative integer, we find the difference between their numerical values and give to it the sign of the integer with the greater numerical value. That is, if two integers are there, one is positive and one negative, what we are doing, we are subtracting the smaller integer from the bigger integer and putting the sign of bigger one. Here, minus 23 plus 50, that is we are subtracting 23 from 50 because 23 is smaller one and 50 is the bigger one. And what is the sign of 50? 50 is positive here, so the answer will be positive. And here see the next example, minus 100 plus 68. So one is negative and one is positive. So what you have to do here, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one and put the sign of the bigger one. That is 100 minus 68 is 32 and the biggest one is here minus 100. So putting the sign of negative. Okay, next we will see how to subtract. Subtraction of integers. For integers a and b, we define a minus b is equals a plus minus b. That is a plus additive inverse of b. That is, we are adding a with the inverse of b, that is with minus b. That is, for the easy method, that what we are doing in addition and subtraction of integers, that is, if they are in, both are in different sign. So we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number and putting the sign of the bigger one. Okay, now I will show you how to add and subtract the integers. So we are going to solve from exercise 1b. First add the following integers. Next we will see evaluate how to subtract the integers. Okay. So here we are doing addition and subtraction of integers. The first question is add the following integers. First question, 64 and 36. Here both are positive, so you have to just add it. That is 64 plus 36. 6 plus 4 10. 1 is carried over. 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. Its answer is 100. It was very simple because both the sign are same, so you have the answer will be same. This with the same sign. Next question is that, our second question is 73 and minus 37. Here one integer is positive and another integer is negative. So what you have to do? You have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of bigger one. Here the bigger one is positive, so our answer will also be positive. So we will see that is 73 minus 37. What will be the answer? 73 minus 37. It will be 36. But here the sign will be negative or positive. Here the sign will be positive because it is here the greater one is positive. So our answer is 36. So we will see one more question. Minus 26 and minus 45. In this case, both the sign, that is both the symbols are negative. So you have to just add its numerical values and put the same sign. That is 26 plus 45. 26 plus 45, 6 plus 5, 11, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. Answer is 71 and its sign will be minus 71. Okay, it was clear to you all how to add two integers. That is, if the same sign are there, then you have to add the numerical values and put the same sign. Here also and here also we have seen we are adding the numerical values and putting the same sign. And if in the case of different signs, we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of bigger one. Clear? Now we will see how to subtract. So first question is that evaluate. First question, 6 minus 24. 6 minus 24. Here also you have to see that both are different signs. So what you have to do? Subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. That is 24 minus 6. Answer is 18. But its sign will be negative. Its sign will be negative. That's its answer will be minus 18. That is in the case of integers, addition and subtraction of different signs then it will be same. That is, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of bigger one. Clear? We will see one more question. Our second question is that 8 minus 23. 8 minus 23. So what will be happening here? Here also negative and here also negative. As per the rule of signs, it will be two negatives will be positive. That is 8 minus 23 will be 8 plus 23. That is 8 plus 23 will be 31. Our answer will be positive. Clear? Okay. Next question. 18 minus 8. Here also the same. That is two negatives are there. That is it will be positive. 18 plus 8, 26. Answer is 26. Next we will see. The next question is that fourth question is minus 16 minus 5. Here minus 16 will be same, minus 16. Here both the negative are coming together. That is it will be positive. That is it will be minus 16 plus 5. That is one is negative, one is positive. What to do here? 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 is 11 and putting the sign of biggest one. That is its answer will be minus 11. Okay. One more question. Our last question is that minus 20 and minus 6. Here see both the integers are with same sign, that is negative sign. So you have to add the numerical values. That is 20 plus 6. So its answer will be 26. So its answer will be minus 26 because both the integers are negative. Okay. So in this video we have seen that how to add and subtract. So what we have done here, if both the signs are same, you have to add the numerical values and put the same sign. And here also we have done this. If both the signs are different, then what you have to do here, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one and putting the sign of bigger one. Clear? And in this case, that is two negatives are coming together, then it will be positive. That is 8 minus 23 will be 8 plus 23, that is 31. In the next case also we have seen this 18 minus minus 8. That is 2 negatives will be positive. That is 18 plus 8, 26. And here both the sign are negative. That is, you have to add the numerical values and put the sign of negative. Hope this video was clear to you all. Thank you all of you. Take care.